Right, hi guys, this is AP. This is episode 2 of my railway layout update. Now, my parcel of triad track, as you can see, has shown up. Now, I've unpacked it, connected it, powered it up, cleaned it. She's in good condition, we're good to go. Let me show you. Now, I'll put a modern train on here first. You can tell I've been cleaning, I'm out of breath. Ready? Here we go. Inside loop first. Sorry the old contact problem, but some of the contacts might need a bit of a wire brushing, but other than that, it flies. This is the original idea I had in the first place. Right, now we're going to stop her. Clunk the points. Let's put it on a merry way around the other side. Come on! Ah. Oh, that's why. Cleaning it, I must have stretched the fucking track. There she goes. Oh, come on. As I say, I need to take a wire brush around some of the contacts, but other than that, we've got a working triad track. Oh, fuck. What the fuck happened there? She couldn't be railed. She didn't like that. Oh, why is she doing that? Lock together. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, some of it doesn't fit completely snug. It's snug enough to run, but it will cause a few connection problems. What the fuck are you? Oi, 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 Ingy Beaver. Turn the power down a bit. She's getting over eager on this thing. Yeah, you don't run these trains on this stuff till fucking it's out like a bitch. But yeah, we have a complete oval of triad track. As you can see, it's sitting, I'll shut you up for a minute. It's sitting over what I had originally thought of a design. So this now changes everything. I've got to do more cleaning work to make sure this is perfect. All the connections, the points work. I've already done a bit of repair work because the spring was gone on that one. So I took the back plate off and put the spring back on. That's working fine. I've got to take a wire brush to some of these contacts. A little bit rough. But we've got it. So my original plan's back on track. And I'm going to use this stuff on the inside. If it fits in the middle of this. Hope it does. We'll see what we can do. But yeah. So, and in addition to this, I'm going to the nearest model shop to us, which is in that lovely little town called Leighton Buzzard. So I've got to head down there in a bit because I want to get track pins for this, and I've also got to find some screws because this screws down. So, considering this is the cheapest bundle of triad track I bought, 10 quid, and I've got all this, it's perfect, it's in running order, I am fucking, yes! Right, since the power's still on, let's see how the old triad's not going to run as well because her wheels are filthy, but we turn up full power. Her wheels are filthy, which is why she's not probably running too good, but it's an original triad train on its original triad track. Yeah, baby! So when the Victoria comes, and not Victoria, begging my pardon, Elizabeth, shows up, and my wheel cleaner showed up, even though I've got one wheel cleaning on place, while I'm down at the model shop, I might pick up another one, bring one home tonight so I can clean the wheels up on this. And yeah. But yeah, you can say AP is really fucking happy with it. Right, let's turn you down a minute. So you handle points. Come on. He's handling it all good. We all good. We are all good. Right, all that remains me to say now is I'm going to have myself a little celebratory joint. I think I fucking deserve it. And see you outside the model shop in Leighton. Alright guys, well, it's a lovely Saturday. I've decided how better way to celebrate than going to the model shop but by going by train. Why not? I'm in the mood to celebrate. And believe it or not, as I'm walking past on the way to get my ticket, we find out they've got a rail strike on. Again, I had a funny feeling yesterday they were going to do this. Hopefully the train's running. If not, I'm in trouble. Please be running, please be running, please be running. Or I'm going to have to wait around at least another half an hour or so to get the bus to Leighton. That'd be tragic, wouldn't it? I decided to celebrate by catching the train and the bastards go on strike. Because this ticket office looks very empty. Very empty. Looks closed. Let's have a look. Oh, it's open.
Due to industrial action, there are no London North Western Railway services from this station today. Passengers are advised to use other modes of transport.
For fuck's sake. Bring back the days of British Rail. Yeah. Right. Fucking bus to Leighton it is then. I better get a fucking move. Oh well. See you there. Right. I've just missed my connecting bus to Leighton. So I've got to wait about 20 odd minutes for the next one. So this video is going to be a bit of everything. Trains, Bletchley, Leighton buses and building works. So I wonder what they're planning on putting on site that old church. Something electrical, I suppose. Alright. What are you planning on putting in here? Oh, I do video vlogs.
So why you play?
Well, just updating my viewers on what's going on here. YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah.
That's good. Here is gonna be Animal Center.
Animal Centre?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, Animal Centers. Well, if you want to get visit, I can give you free ticket.
Oh well, just keep an eye out for my name then.
Thank you.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay then guys.
Have a nice day.
Alright. Oh, there you go. Animal Centre. Never have thought of that. Oh. Don't you just love it where everyone's so paranoid of the man with the camera when you're being spied on by the government through CCTV? You're all a bunch of fucking hypocrites. Get over yourselves. I'll have a tour up and down the high street to kill some time. See if I can find anywhere that does any wire brushes locally so I can clean them joins up. Oh, I tell you, man, if the world gets any more fucking paranoid, everyone's going to need therapy except me, and I'm the one who's smoking weed, and weed's supposed to cause paranoia. Nah, it's not paranoia, because everything I'm fucking going on's actually happening. You lot just don't believe it. What bites have they got on? Mongoose? Apollo? Whatever that one is. Giant. Compared Derwent. Not bad. And the principal. British Heart Foundation upstairs section's having some new windows fitted for the looks of it. And then we've got fucking ages. Well, you might as well sit down and get a cup of tea and get comfortable, guys. This one's going to be a long one. This is going to be a long one. Summertime's here, everyone's getting the bikes out. Ooh, a nice old Peugeot racer there. Oh, so that's what the new bike stands are for now. They're not for propping your bike up. They're so you can lean up against them when you're using your phone. They're phone user props. Funny. I think there's a little tool store here in the Agora, or now being recalled the market. Oh, they're renaming it. The Agora's gonna go after all these years? No way. That's enough. Out of the way. Closing down sale? Hey, what? I know this place is up for refurbishment, but... Oh well, oops. Oh, where's the tool store around here? Well, I've still got time. I swear there used to be something around here that done old tools and shit. I swear. Where is it? Where is it? No, no. No. It's all food now. I swear there used to be a little... No? Oh. Oh, no, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Oh well. I'll have to look elsewhere for about 10 or 15 minutes. Right guys, we're heading to this and that, because he does a few tools every now and again. See if he's got anything in the name of cheap wire brushes. Because I went into that £1 Plus one in the Brunel Centre. He wants near £6 for 3 wire brushes. Fuck off. I'm not paying £6 for 3 wire brushes. I'm screwed, mate. I'm tighter than a duck's arse, especially when it comes down to money. He's got no way to range of tools he has. Shit. Oh, okay. That was a bit of a disappointment then. He used to have the tools like bric-a-brac bits at the back, but he's rearranged all the shop. And like everyone else, they're going for electricals because electricals make more money. Why does everything have to be about fucking money? Right, I'm going to make my way slowly back to the bus stop. Hope we can pick up some more brushes in Leighton while we're out. See you there. I'm walking around in circles. I don't know where I'm going. I'm lost. Not. Yay! Caught it just. Oh, he's coming this way as well. I've just heard him and I'm like, please let me roll my fan fast enough and catch this. Oh, why'd you have to go stick your block of flats in the way? Oh, go on. You're doing the right circle around as well. I hate tall buildings. Oh, he's going for another fly round, I think. Yep, here he goes. Yes, go on, bonus footage. Go on. I suppose the good's got to come with the bad, innit? Nice one. Nice one. This video is getting better by the minute. Well, I'll say something, you've got to be the funniest looking fucking bus I've ever seen. Fucking foreigners come in here, break all our fucking rules, think they can get away with it. Like yesterday. Got fucking Polacks doing class A drugs on the back of the bus. Some woman complained to the driver, he was black, he just fucking ignored her. What the fuck? Seriously? What's the world coming to? Here we are, on the Ep2. Model shop, here I come. At last. Right, we have arrived outside Leighton Buzzard Railway Station on the bus, and now, just for entertainment's sake, I thought, why don't we have a walk around a lovely empty station since the train's on strike today. Since this whole video is kind of railway themed, I thought it seemed appropriate. And afterwards, I'll do a nice little video walking from here into town towards the model shop. So this is going to be a video, all sorts, action-packed, absolutely brilliant. Well, here we are inside a very empty, echoey Leighton Buzzard station. I didn't see that notice. Let's go and have a walk around. Well, I coughed my guts up. Oh, okay, you're not going to let me up. You're not going to open the doors for me then. Oh. Oh well, we'll have to get into access the station another way. Oh, quickly. It's Planet Leighton Buzzard Job Centre. Job Centre, Town Centre. Where's that? And the shop I want, it should be that one there. When we get down there. As you can see, we are here at the moment. We want to go there eventually. No train today due to industrial action, no bullshit. Pardon me. And here we are, standing on a very empty Leighton Buzzard station platforms. Do you know what? It feels like fucking lockdown. It does. It feels like fucking lockdown again. Oh well, right. Let's carry on, do our little walk down to town centre. Right, I know some of you have asked when am I going to start doing buildings and trees and stuff like that. Well, at the moment, once I've got this stuff from the model shop and any other little bits and bobs I decide to pick up while I'm there, depending what he's got, I'll lay the track, I'll see what I can do with the modern track, whether that loop's not too big to stick in the middle of that lot. I've still got another batch of that track turning up. So if the curves are smaller than the outer ring, we might be able to do something, but I very much doubt it. I'll explain it all in the next video, update video after this. Trust me. My brain's going around at 120 miles an hour at the moment, trying to plan everything while I'm walking up to the model shop now, so. And I'm looking around trying to get inspiration as well, so. Yeah, anyway, turn the camera around, enjoy the scenery. There's the Hunt Lodge Hotel. St Barnabas Church. This is the kind of thing I want to do on my quaint little railway. Tiny little old Victorian houses and back streets. So I just set it on the style of going back to the 60s sort of thing. So it's running really old locos. Don't ask me what street I'm on, I can't remember. All I know is I'm heading in the right direction. If you go around that way, you end up on Wing Road at some point. Some lovely houses. Yeah, we head down this way. That's Wing Road at the bottom there. So we'll head to that. Let's just be slightly suicidal and walk down the middle of the road for a better view. Now that is what you call a garden wall. I do remember quite a while ago, one of my subscribers did ask me, you know, do a walk about Leighton Buzzard, Great Brick Hill at some point, stuff like that. So I'm hoping this is doing it for you. Try and do a bit of everything, you know. Right, now we're on Wing Road. I'm about to use a crossing, possibly get run over. Thank you. Just sort of love the way everyone stares at you. Why is it going full combat using a camera out in public? What? Look, cameras everywhere. And you have a go about me filming. Fucking hell. No, I'm not going to bitch and moan. Shut up. No. There's a bus just left the station. That's on its way to Luton. I got a funny feeling someone died on that crossing recently. The amount of flowers on it. Oh no, sorry, my mistake. That's the number 5 to Brooklands. My bad. It looks the same as actually it's shorter. Short wheelbase bar. Who's that? To our darling Lucas. 28th of April 2009 to the 1st of June 2023. So he only died a day or two ago. Shit. Dang. We are walking over the Grand Union Canal. Can't see much because of the trees. And there it goes down there. Nice old motorbike going down the road there. Oh, you better get me in your photograph. That bloke was taking a picture of that old bike. You can see him zooming in on his phone. Right, I'll cut this and we'll see you a little bit further along. Can't remember if I featured this in my last video, one of my last videos around here or not, but loving the tool station. I've seen these things in Milton Keynes and most of them have been vandalised. This one, still complete with all its tools, and I can verify the pump works. Look at this. Pressure gauge a lot. Now when you get given something like that to use by the public, why can't you youngers fucking respect it and not vandalise it? Dorvic Cycle, still going strong after all these years. Fucking hell. The oldest bike shop in town, that. And the looks of it, it's going to carry on being that way and all. Right, we're walking up Church Street, I think. Or Bridge Street, something like that. I can't remember. But the model shop's not far away. We will get there, peeps. We will get there. You'll see AP going on a spending spree. The market's on today. On Saturday. There's always a market here on Saturday. Right, this must be Bridge Street. That's Church Square if I remember right. The old red telephone boxes. At the bus station. The bus stop. Right, see you outside the model shop. Well, we've got police walking down. Right, there we go. Age Model Shop store. We are there, Pete. Oh yes. We are there. Right. Right, AP is now in heaven. Yeah. I don't do cardboard buildings. I do that, but they're expensive, man. Oh, we've got Engage. Look how tiny they are. Oh my god, an original Hornby 00, 250 quid. Wow. You can see why this place is heaven to me. We need one in Milton Keynes and Bletchley. Someone, please. Oh, someone was selling them in Milton Keynes, 30 quid. Never got back to them. Look at that there. Got grasses, buildings, cars, scenics, walls, screws, paints, logos.
Can I ask a suggestion? We're trying to find cargo trousers.
Yeah, second-hand track there. Don't know why, but my thumb accidentally stopped recording.
Past the yellow, there's two stalls past the yellow. You just bought
Oh look. Basement, Tom's Tank Engine and Friends.
Very helpful. Thank you.
It's brilliant. Oh, mate. Oh, you need to open another one of these shops up in Milton Keynes. Yeah.
Would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Well, there you go. The Model Railway store. Love this shop. So, if you want your model stuff, come down here. You see what he's got. It's brilliant. eBay is cheaper, but shh. Right. Now I'm done my shopping. I've got my bits. We'll have a quick little perusal around the high street. Go and sit somewhere. Show you the stuff I've bought. And then catch the bus home. That is the plan. So. Oh, what are they doing with the Market Cross? What the hell? Oh, they're going up for renovation again or something. Damn. Oh, I used to have one of them little DAC sounds. Anyway. Right, I'm going to find something nice and quiet so I can show you the materials I got. I will see you lot in a minute. Right, sit here, lovely churchyard in the shade. Right, I'll show you what I bought. Found the wire brushes I wanted to clean the ends of the tracks. £3 odd from Wilco's. I've got 2 splinter packs of bolster. I'm going to build my own station platform, so I can use that Bletchley station. Ticket office, there's another one. What else have I got in here? Big massive assortment of screws to tie that triag track down. Haven't finished yet. I've spent a fortune in here down here today. I think, roughly guessing, I've spent about 50, maybe 60 quid. Yeah, expensive hobby, Model Railways. Right, so that's that. I've got this thing, which is train maintenance, basically, service kit. You've got your wires, you've got your sponge bed for holding it, you've got your lube, and it's a perfect one. £30 for that. 30 quid. Bullshit. But it does everything I want it to do. Let's carry a bag. It's got a couple of little bits and bobs on the end of it. Let me just got track pins for the modern track if we can end up using it, and I've also got a couple of buffer stops. As I say, I'm really crossing my fingers, hope I can use a new track on the inside of that triag track, you know what I mean? What else we've got in the pockets here? I think that's it, yeah. That's pretty much about it, so doing well. Now I'm going to enjoy my fridge milkshake and a fag before I hang around like a blue arse fly, or hang around like a wet weekend rather, not blue arse fly, waiting for the next bus home. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little shopping adventure. The next video, episode 3, will be me at home working on the track, fastening it down, cleaning it up, building the platform, cleaning the loco's wheels, etc. So it's another action-packed video for the next episode. Keep your eyes peeled, and catch you later, peeps. This is AP signing off.